Hi! In front of me is SONY XPERIA Z5 Premium, and today I would like to show you how you can change the food apps on this device. First of all, go into Play Store and download your new food app. In my case, it will be browser. You don't have to open it, sorry, just install it and click Home button. After that, go into Settings, scroll down and choose Apps. Then pick one of your apps. I want to change my browser apps. I will go with one of my browsers, try Chrome. Scroll all the way down and choose Browser app. As you can see, all of my default app sections are over here. I want to change my browsers. I will go with Browser app section, click on Opera, and as you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!